I make a mocktini instead of a mocktail, so we're gonna be using our shaker and getting a little crazy. So a coconut mocktini, it's essentially not on the rocks because I'm shaking it and pouring it in, but a pina colada that's not blended. It's just made to be cold, and then you sip on it.
So like a mocktini on the rocks.
Well, no rocks because the rocks are gonna stay.
Right.
So kind of
shaking, not stirred.
Yeah, with shaking, so you don't want to overshake.
Right.
Because it actually dilutes what you're working on, which is kind of part of the goal. You want a little bit of water in there, and it cools it off. Which, fun fact about that saying with James Bond, that was a tact he used so that he could drink less potent alcohol. Because if it's stirred, it's going to be the most potent. But when he gets it shaken instead of stirring, and he wants it really shook, it ends up watering it down.
Sean Connery actually drank real alcohol in the original.
James Bond. Really?
I don't know if he's the original, but he's one of the older ones.
Oh, that's fun.
Yeah, so he actually
smoked for real and stuff. You already got ice in here, so that's your first step. Put ice in the shaker, and then I'm gonna rim the glass. So this was the easiest way I determined how to do this. Putting it on a plate and trying to rim it just wasn't good.
It just falls off.
It's honey, it's thick, it's sticky. It's not like lemon juice like you would do for like a margarita or lime juice.
This is glue.
So I'm just gonna like a little bit out of the tip and then just slowly around the edge. You probably can't see this. And then dip in your coconut shreds. These are sweetened. Just coconut. And it makes it pretty.
It does.
Oh, it's so nice.
June, but it's like kind of a winter.
Like speaking of it being June, we didn't realize we were going to drop our first episode the first week of Pride Month, which is hilarious with what our topic was. You'll know by now, hopefully.
So real design, folks. And challenge your bias.
Okay. Alright. I'm just going for it. So this is cream of coconut, and I don't know how to cream a coconut, so no, I did not make this at home.
We chose coconut with by hand. I don't want an electric squeeze.
And then this is homemade pineapple juice, which if you're gonna make it yourself, I just used a blender. If you have a juicer, obviously that's better because it takes the pulp out. I had to filter this like 2 or 3 times, and I don't know if that's because I pre-cut the pineapple, the coconut, the pineapple, and then it sat in the fridge for a couple days before I juiced it. The first time I just attempted it, I just did it right away and it worked better. I had to filter it like 2 or 3 times. It's getting foamy and weird, so about equal parts. If you want it more sweet, more coconut. If you want it less sweet, more pineapple juice. So about the same amount. And then you just pour both over the ice, and then we are gonna add the coconut extract, about a 1/2 teaspoon, which most little caps like this